America in 2026 will look nothing like the America we know today. AI is taking over industries faster than anyone expected. And the jobs millions of people rely on are disappearing quietly, without warning. Today, we're diving into exactly how AI is rising, why traditional jobs are collapsing, and what Americans must do before it's too late. The shift begins. Over the last few years, AI has moved from interesting technology to national transformation. Businesses aren't asking if they should use AI, they're asking how fast they can replace human labor. 2026 will be the first year where the majority of companies operate with AI-first systems. Show visuals. Factories, offices, AI dashboards, robots. The collapse of traditional jobs. Traditional jobs, the ones Americans grew up believing were safe, are cracking. Customer service, data entry, retail, transportation, banking, HR, editing, accounting. Tasks that once needed 10 people now need one AI system. Companies aren't firing fast. They're simply stopping new hiring. Example: AI replacing entire customer support teams. Example: self-driving delivery systems reducing drivers. White-collar jobs are next. For years, people thought only factory jobs were at risk, but 2026 proves the opposite. AI tools can now write emails, draft legal documents, build websites, and analyze financial reports. White-collar workers, once considered secure, are now seeing the biggest impact. Visuals: office workers, lawyers, analysts using AI tools. AI isn't coming. It's here. AI doesn't need breaks. It doesn't need vacations. It doesn't need healthcare. For companies, AI is a dream. For workers depending on traditional jobs, it's the beginning of a new era of survival. Real examples: AI cashiers replacing retail employees, AI bots managing customer queries, AI robots packing warehouses. 2026 will be the year of silent job loss. This won't look like a massive layoff. It will look like fewer job openings, more contractors, more gig work, more people competing for fewer roles. 2026 will be the year when workers realize the job market didn't collapse overnight. It slowly transformed. Show: now hiring signs disappearing, empty job boards. Who will benefit in 2026? There will be winners. People who learn AI tools. People who build digital income streams. People who adapt faster than the system changes. 2026 will create a new generation of online entrepreneurs, consultants, creators, and tech-driven freelancers. Examples: people using AI to run small businesses. Creators using AI editing. Freelancers scaling income with automation. What Americans must do now. To survive the fall of traditional jobs, Americans must learn AI tools, not coding, just usage. Build at least one online income source. Shift from job security to skill security. Develop skills AI cannot replace. Storytelling, strategy, leadership, creativity. Stay adaptable, because the 2026 economy rewards speed, not comfort. The new American workforce. The new workforce won't be defined by degrees, but by adaptability. Your value will come from how fast you can learn new systems, new tools, and new technologies. 2026 is the year when the fastest learners will become the highest earners. Show examples: young creators, remote workers, AI-powered small businesses. America in 2026 won't destroy everyone. It will divide people into two groups: those who get replaced by AI and those who use AI to rise. Now that you know what's coming, the only question left is, which side will you be on? Subscribe for more deep insights on the future of America, AI, and the new economy.